A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a landmark decision that marks a significant shift in Donald Trump's legal battles, the U.S. Supreme Court has ruled against the president-elect's emergency application to block his sentencing in a New York criminal trial. The ruling comes just 10 days before Trump is set to assume office once again as America's commander-in-chief. The Supreme Court's decision, which was made with a narrow 5-4 vote, allows the sentencing to proceed following Trump's conviction in May on 34 felony counts of falsifying business records related to hush money payments made to adult film actress Stormy Daniels prior to the 2016 election. Judge Juan Merchan is scheduled to sentence Trump on Friday morning. Despite the serious nature of the convictions, the judge has indicated that he is unlikely to impose a prison sentence, suggesting instead an unconditional discharge that would allow Trump to avoid jail time, probation, or fines, although the conviction itself will remain on record. The Supreme Court's decision comes after Trump filed an emergency application on Wednesday, which was swiftly denied the following day. The unsigned order from the court revealed that 4 conservative justices, Clarence Thomas, Samuel Alito, Neil Gorsuch, and Brett Kavanaugh, were in favor of blocking the sentencing, while Chief Justice John Roberts and Justice Amy Coney Barrett sided with the court's 3 liberal justices, Sonia Sotomayor, Elena Kagan, and Ketanji Brown Jackson, to deny the request. The court's reasoning emphasized that any alleged evidentiary violations during Trump's state court trial could be addressed in the ordinary course of an appeal, and that the burden of the sentencing on Trump's responsibilities as president-elect would be relatively minimal given the likelihood of a non-custodial sentence. In a rare moment of restraint, Trump responded to the Supreme Court's decision on his Truth Social account, expressing appreciation for the court's efforts to remedy what he termed a great injustice. He vowed to appeal the sentencing, asserting that he would do so for the sake and sanctity of the presidency. Trump's legal team had previously attempted to leverage the Supreme Court's rulings regarding presidential immunity in their argument against the sentencing, claiming that the introduction of evidence related to his official acts during the trial violated established legal doctrines. However, the court declined to engage with this argument at this time, although it remains open for future consideration. The implications of this decision are profound, as it allows New York to officially brand Trump as a convicted felon just days before he takes office. The case has been closely watched, not only for its legal ramifications, but also for its potential impact on Trump's political future. Throughout the 2024 presidential campaign, the Supreme Court had issued several rulings that appeared to bolster Trump's candidacy, including a unanimous decision that allowed him to remain on state ballots despite challenges, citing the 14th Amendment's insurrection clause. The court also granted Trump a significant immunity shield, ruling that presidents cannot be prosecuted for actions taken while in office, which helped delay his federal criminal trials. As the sentencing date approaches, Trump's legal team is gearing up for the next steps, including the anticipated appeal. The president-elect has indicated that he will not attend the sentencing in person, opting instead to participate remotely in order to minimize disruption during the transition period leading up to Inauguration Day on January 20th. This move underscores the delicate balance Trump is attempting to maintain between his legal challenges and his responsibilities as he prepares to take office. The Supreme Court's decision to allow the sentencing to proceed has ignited a heated debate about the intersection of law and politics, particularly as it pertains to a figure as polarizing as Trump. Legal experts are divided on the implications of this ruling, with some arguing that it sets a dangerous precedent for future political figures facing legal scrutiny, while others contend that it reinforces the principle that no one is above the law, regardless of their political status. As the nation watches closely, the outcome of Trump's sentencing and subsequent appeals could have lasting effects not only on his presidency, but also on the broader landscape of American politics. The coming days will be critical as both Trump and the legal system navigate this unprecedented situation, raising questions about accountability, justice, and the future of political leadership in the United States. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.